everybody. I'm Linda Ryder. I'm here with the lovely Gretchen Moen, and we are here to talk to you about your final 10 tasks to complete your moving and downsizing timeline. Number 1, you are going to schedule junk removal to pick up trash and non-donatable items.
We have some fantastic junk removal partners. Just ask us if you need a recommendation.
Number 2, you're going to continue packing your living and bedroom spaces.
And leave out only what you're using or will need through move day.
Number 3, set aside a do not pack area for items that you'll transport, like liquids, jewelry, important documents, plants, and more.
And make sure that you've asked your mover about anything that they won't move, because some of them won't move things like chemicals, liquids, like that.
Number 4, you want to schedule cancellation of home services such as cable, Wi-Fi, trash.
Right, and do this in advance so you don't forget in the shuffle of moving.
Number 5, finish packing.
And you will need more packing paper than you think, because you want your fragile things to be well protected.
Number 6, you're going to confirm details with the movers, the cleaners, and other hired professionals.
Yes, confirming eliminates stressful surprises on moving day.
Nobody wants a stressful surprise. Number 7, gather moving day essentials like toiletries, medicines, and key documents.
Set those all aside in one place so they don't get confused with things that should be packed up in boxes.
Number 8, mark items with painter's tape to help direct the movers.
And double check that all furniture in boxes are marked with the colored tape so movers will have a clear roadmap of what gets moved and what doesn't get moved.
Number 9, on moving day, consider having a moving manager with you.
That's right, and Cut the Clutter RVA can help you do things like pack last minute items like bedding and food, pack your car with items that you're transporting to your new home, conduct a final walkthrough of your house, and unpack at your new space in a super organized way.
Number 10, time to celebrate your new space. Listen, if you have any questions through this, we understand it can be an overwhelming and daunting process. Please feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or check out our website for more information. Our website is cuttheclutterrva.com. Our email is info@cuttheclutterrva.com. And our phone number is 804-456-4433. We're wishing you all the best. If you have any questions, give us a call.